He, she, it, its, his, her. He is Arif. He is a boy. This is his scarf. Its color is red. This is his bike. It is a small bike. It is his watch. Its strap is long. It is his toy car. It has 4 wheels. Its color is blue. She is Fatima. She is a girl. It is her pencil. Its color is yellow. It is a long pencil. It is her bag. It is her school bag. Its color is blue. It is her doll. Its frock is blue. Its shoes are black.